Have you ever thought to yourself, wow, I really want to get a new toy car, but the problem is, I don't want to drive 5 minutes down the road to Walmart. What can I do? Well, look no further because I have just the thing for you. Introducing the disk drive. Wait, no, not that disk drive. This disk drive. The disk drive is a mechanically powered toy car composed entirely out of household items. And wanna know what the best part is? Yes, you heard me right, you can make it all by yourself out of some wooden skewers, rubber bands, bottle caps, and discs. To begin, cut 2 skewers to about 23 centimeters long. Set these aside for now. Next, gather 4 bottle caps of equal sizes and poke holes in their centers. Take 2 more skewers and cut them to around 17 centimeters long. Slip a straw onto each skewer, trimming the straws if necessary, and attach a bottle cap on each of the ends. Make sure that the caps have some space between the straws so that they may rotate independently. These will function as the axles of the disk drive. Afterwards, glue the 23 centimeter long skewers to the axles to form a rectangular-like frame. Cut another skewer to around 14 centimeters long and attach it near one of the axles on the frame. Finally, prepare 4 discs. Make sure they don't have anything important on them. Glue the discs onto the bottle caps. After this, link 2 rubber bands together and link one end of the chain to the skewer you just glued. Cut the straw on the axle farthest from the skewer into 2 pieces, letting there be a space in between. Cut a 3 centimeter long skewer and glue it onto the uncovered skewer. And there you have it, your very own disk drive. Now, allow me to show you a brief presentation of its excitement-inducing capabilities. To get the disk drive going, hook the other end of the rubber band chain to the 3 centimeter skewer. Manually rotate the axle with the small skewer in a way so that the rubber band stretches. This increases the elastic potential energy of the rubber bands, which is transformed to the kinetic energy that moves the car as the band chain is released. The more times it is wound, the greater the elastic potential energy and thus the farther the car travels.